Hi guys, welcome to Software Jobs Training, and we are on the day 4 of week 5. In this session we will be covering about operators. So as we have seen in JavaScript that operators are the symbols that are used to perform a specific task. So for example, we have this plus sign used to do the addition, and this is actually the addition operator. Okay, so if we see the old school math that 10 plus 20, so here the plus symbol is actually the operator, and 10 and 20 are the operands. So we'll apply this operation, and 10 plus 20 will return 30. So in this way we can see that operators are the symbol that will be used to do specific tasks. If we go to slide number 2, we'll find that there are 4 types of operators in PHP. The very first one are the arithmetic operators, which are used to perform the mathematical tasks and calculations. Then are the comparison operators, and these will be used to do the comparison between 2 or more variables. So third one are logical operators, and they'll be used to provide relations and logics between the operands. So fourth are the assignments operators, which are used to assign a particular value to a variable. So we will see them. Let's go to slide number 3. So first of all, we have the arithmetic operators. So arithmetic operators are actually used to perform the mathematical calculations. All these operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, increment and decrement are a part of arithmetic operators, and you can see in example that to add two numbers we just need to put the plus operator, which is an addition operator, and then for subtraction you need to put a minus, and so on. For modulus you need to put the percentage, and modulus actually returns the remainder of the division of this two numbers. So modulus is actually used to find the remainder. And then we have the increment and decrement. We have already seen this in JavaScript. So these are like increasing the value by 1 or decreasing the value by 1. So increment and decrement are used for that. On slide number 4, we will see that we got comparison operators. So comparison operators are actually used to compare two variables or two operands, that if a operand is actually bigger or smaller or equal to the other one, so we can do the comparison and everything. We got multiple of them. So double equals to is actually the most common one, which is used to find out that if one variable is actually equal to the other one. And then we have the exclamation mark, which marks that it is not equals to. So if you want to check if a variable is not equals to the other variable, then you can use this not equals to operator. Then we got less than and greater than operators, and less than equals to and greater than equals to check the value, that if a value A is greater than B or B is greater than A, and so on. If you see this example, we got this $x equals to 20, and we got $y is equal to 10. Here we got the condition block, which is similar as we had done in JavaScript, that if the value of x is actually equals to y, then it should run this code, otherwise it should run the other code. Alright, so with this double equals to, you can actually do the comparison. And let me just get rid of this and write our own if block. So I'll say that if $x is actually greater than $y, then it will say that echo x is greater than y. Otherwise it will go to the else section and say y is greater than x, and make sure you put the semicolon and run this code. So as you can see that x is actually greater than y. So if I put y is equal to 30, so this will actually do the maths, and this will give an output that y is greater than x, because we had made the y is equal to 30. So in this way you can do the comparison operators to do the comparison. On slide number 5, we will find that logical operators can also be used in PHP, so they can be used to perform logics and make relations between multiple variables or operands. Okay, so we got three basic type of operators. First are the AND operator, and then is OR operator and NOT operator. Okay, so and OR can be used in two ways. Either you can completely write this and, or you can put the double ampersand symbols. These double ampersand symbols are actually similar to the JavaScript, so they work in almost all the languages like C, C++, and Java also. But there's whenever you write this and OR, so these two are actually specific to PHP only, and they're not highly recommended to use this one because they're not common, and it can be quite confusing for a person to understand these. So it is recommended that you use double ampersand or the pipe symbols for and OR operations. Okay, so here we can see that we got two variables, so we are checking that if either one of them is true, then it should say that echo x and y both are set to true. Okay, let's just get rid of this if section and let me write if $x equals to true or $y equals to true, then it should say that x and y are true. So this code will only run when either one of these are actually true, because here we have the OR logical operator, so this will check that either one of them are true, then this code will actually fire up. Okay, so if I run this code, and you will see that x and y are true, so this is running. In this way you can have multiple logics coming over here, like $age greater than 20 and 10 equals to 10. So you can have multiple and OR conditions. So and will actually require both of these to be true. If I put this double and over here, so it will require $x to be true and $y to be true, so both of them should be true in order to satisfy the condition. And if I put the pipe symbol, this will actually, it will expect that either one of that is true in order to make this condition satisfy. Alright, so the conditional operators are really good. They can be used to relate multiple variables to each other and build up conditions. On the slide number 6, we see that assignment operators. So assignment operators are actually used to assign a value to a variable, and the very common one we actually use is the is equal to symbol. So this is an operator that is used to do the simple assignment. So we can just say that this variable sum number 1 has the value of 10, so actually we are assigning the value of 10 to the variable using this is equal to operator. So this is a very simple form of assignment, and there are multiple other ways to do the assignment, like we can use the plus is equal to symbol or minus is equal to symbol. So what this plus is equal to symbol will do, that it will first add the value to the operand and then it will update the operand. Okay, so let me just show you how to do this, and let's just get rid of this and also this. So here we only have one variable that says sum number 1 is equal to 10. Now I can say that $sumnum underscore 1 plus is equal to 5. Okay, so what it actually does is that this plus is equal to will first of all get the original value and then add 5 to it, and then it will assign the new value to this variable we already have. So initially it had the value of 10, but after running this plus is equal to assignment, it will add 5 to the original value and assign the new value to this variable back. And if I try to echo this up, you will find that we get the result of 15. So we already have this, so let me just put 25 over here. So now we should get a result of 35, and here you can see that we got the 35 output. So in this way you can you can do the assignment operators. You can also minus is equal to, you can subtract before the assignment, and you can also multiply before assigning the latest value. We can also concatenate this up, so I can say that answer is equal to, then I put the dot, which is the concatenation symbol. So I'll run this code up, and you can see that this is actually showing up in this string form now. So I'm writing it concatenated to a string. So in this way you can use the assignment operators. Slide number 7 is actually a skill assessment, so I'll expect this that you can solve this easily. So I'm going to skip up, and this will actually bring us to the end of this video. Thank you.